Ag Day is brought to you by Helena. The Innovation Never Stops series celebrates the science, passion, and progress happening every day at Helena.
Soybeans tried to hang on to Wednesday's gains while wheat got a bit of a boost. Ag Day's Michelle Rook has more on how we may end the week in markets now.
Grain markets to the plus side on Thursday with cattle mix. Randy Martinson is in with analysis. Randy, the little pop that we saw in the grain market on Thursday looked like it was really led by the wheat market. Is that market seeing short covering, or are we finally trying to put a little weather premium in there?
It started off because of weather. We're talking about some pretty cold temperatures moving all the way down, from, the northern plains all the way down into Texas, all the way up into the Maine. So, I mean, it looks like a majority of the continental U.S. is going to see extremely cold temperatures here over this weekend, and it could create a little bit of problems with some of the winter wheat. But so I do think there is some weather premium coming into the market. I do think some of it is also due to technicals because, we put in some new contract lows here a couple of weeks ago. Wheat's been flirting with the low end of their trading ranges, and I think it's finally trying to put a little bit of room underneath the market.
Speaking of technicals, corn tried to follow the wheat market, but just ran into resistance again, didn't it?
It did. I mean, that report from USDA here, the final crop production report, was pretty daunting for the corn market. Demand has been good. It's been encouraging that the market hasn't sold off anymore, but it's going to be tough to be able to break above any major resistance lines now until we see some other news to help chew through some of these bushels.
Yeah. Soybeans also looked like they ran up into a little bit of chart resistance on Thursday. That market's been pretty well supported here. What's supporting it right now? Is this demand?
Demand is part of it. I mean, we've been seeing some good exports, unknown destinations and other entities or countries have been coming in and buying. We've got now, I think, a little bit more comfortable attitudes towards China as China has bought the 12 million metric ton. They said they're gonna. Now we just have to start shipping it. They said they're, going to continue to honor their agreement to buy the 25 million metric ton.
And the cattle market ended mixed on Thursday. We're still trading within last week's ranges. The chop here, not unexpected going into a cattle on feed report, right?
It's not. We expect the report to be friendly, but that's been kind of this norm that we've been seeing here for quite a while. I would expect to see a friendly report, but I think the bigger number everybody's going to be looking at in that is going to be what are the heifers in feedlots. I think that'll be the big number to watch.
Thanks so much. That's Randy Martinson with Martinson Ag and Markets Now.